guys, the train is coming, and that's all I know.
Actually, give me some of it. Give me the rest.
We will. Go around. Go. Thank you. He wants to see the tree.
Can we go all the way up there? Mom, go all the way up there.
I am. I'm trying to wait till we see it. Most people don't want to see the train. Y'all
What?
do, but they don't. But
No.
I am once it come. I just don't want people. I want people to go around that wants to go around.
Guys, the train's coming.
When I see the thing go up, we'll pull up. I just know people don't want to see the train. You do, but they don't. Most people not trying to see the train out. They don't care about this. Oh, I'm gonna take $5 and put it back in my gas tank. Since
I hear it.
Running around, $5 going.
I hear it. No. No, I ain't. Don't get my finger. I'm waiting for it to, and I want to get the back of this.
We're going.
How